Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Hope your week went well and you even got the needed rest and little break from the entire week's schedule that you people are following. So, since we have completed a fair amount of portion in literature, so today we decide to pick up the second part of advertisements that we had already done. So we have covered classified advertisements, but the second category or the second kind or variety of advertisements that we need to do and which are part of your syllabus are display or commercial advertisements. Now, classified advertisements, as I told you, they are under various categories and varying from situation, vacant, wanted, for sale, to let, matrimonial, furniture, and lost and found, missing pet, missing person. So many of these that we did, and that we had covered up all of this, and you had even put these in your copy, all the varieties of the classified advertisements. But today it's not about classified advertisements. Today it is about display or commercial advertisements. Now, the moment you come across the word display, so display is anything which is there for you to see, for you to view. So what are basically display or commercial advertisements? So these advertisements are written for promotion / sale. Please underline it over here. When you are promoting something or you want to sell off something, promotion or sale of products, they can be of any size or color and they contain a lot of illustrations. So there are a lot of images, there are a lot of sketches, and there are a lot of drawings. So one thing that we come to know about it is that it gives us the freedom of putting in a lot of creativity. So if you are a good a sketcher or an artist or somebody who's very creative, then yes, commercial advertisements can be something that you will enjoy a lot. So they can be of any size or color, and they have lot of illustrations, lot of sketches, and lot of drawings. Different fonts can be used to make them attractive. So you can make certain information very, very bold and you can highlight it, whereas the other one can be little small in comparison. So you have the freedom of playing with font. कितने भी साइज का छोटा बड़ा आप अपने हिसाब से font कर सकते हैं, and this makes them very, very attractive. So the basic idea is that if it's a display advertisement, if it is given in a newspaper, it should be very, very catchy, it should be bold, and it should be attractive. कि उस advertisement को देखते ही हमारा ध्यान उसकी तरफ चला जाए. That's the main point. These occupy more space in the newspaper. Obviously, आप एक बड़ा ad देंगे तो ज़्यादा जगह लेगा, and so cost more to be printed in the newspaper. So, the more the space an advertisement will take in the newspaper, the more it is going to cost you. But then that's not what we have to worry about. All we have to worry about is that we need to understand the basic difference between classified and a display advertisement. And the next thing that we need to know is that when we are doing a display or a commercial advertisement, we have the freedom of putting in a lot of illustrations, a lot of sketches, drawings, and we have the freedom of playing with font. So anything that needs to be highlighted can be made bold, can be made beautiful, and of course the presentation matters a lot. So this is in brief about display advertisement, and of course in the end, wherein you are finishing the advertisement, you will give definitely your contact details. It can either be in the form of the address of a shop or a book fair or a trading company, and a phone number. That's very important. So after having understood the basics, let us get into knowing how are these display advertisements done and how do they look like. So here, see, just imagine the kind of space this advertisement has taken up, this one display ad. Can you see it, children? And just see, these are the kind of classified advertisements that we were doing. See the difference. Can you see the difference in the space, in the illustrations, in the drawings, and of course in the language also? Here there are more of words, more of language, and here it is so catchy, very easy to make, and the information is so appealing just there. You don't have to put in more of your time and energy in reading it. So let's see how they are done. So the question says, very simple question: design an advertisement announcing the sale of popular books in a combo pack. That's it. This is just the question. No details have been given to us, and the only thing that we have been asked to do is that we are supposed to design an advertisement and we have to announce a sale of popular books in combo. We are not selling them, in individually in singular sets, no, but in combo packs. Okay, so we have the freedom of choosing the publishing name. That can be your choice. So something like that. Ensure your success with Rachna Sagar's best combo offer. और फिर यहाँ 3 बुक डिज़ाइन कर दी. देखो, आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इट लिटिल विजिबल हियर. बिजनेस स्टडीज फॉर 12th, इट कैन बी 11th, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट. बिजनेस स्टडीज फॉर 12th, chemistry for 12th, mathematics for 12th. So these are all illustrations, all what you will draw. They have even opened the price over here, 320, 352, 264. Okay, and it says buy all 3 outstanding books in a single convenient pack of rupees 750. So it says you can, because it's a combo offer. तो combo offer में मतलब हमको 1, 2, 3 books together we can get in a combo offer of 750 rupees. That's it. And what does it say? Call us at, they have given the number, or order now at www.rachnasagar.in or SMS convenient packed, and the number is given below. So do you get it, children? Something that is very creative. Nothing very difficult, nothing very particular, not lots to write, not lots to worry, not many details to be given, but more of illustrations, sketches, drawings, and as I told you, you have the freedom of playing with font. So you see, this is the font. रचना सागर को कितना बड़ा बड़ा लिखा है, बेस्ट कॉम्बो ऑफर को उससे छोटा लिख दिया, इंश्योर योर सक्सेस को उससे छोटा लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज प्लेइंग विथ फॉन्ट्स. Whatever is important needs to be highlighted, and something that is very catchy can be put like this, in a circle or any which way. They have put their logo sort of something here. Up to you, all your creativity, and your display advertisement for this books is done. So we had to do nothing. They just made 3 books over here. They wrote the publisher's name, they wrote the offer, combo offer, and they gave the contact details over here. And all of this is nothing but part of your creativity. None of these details were given there कि कौन सी publishing company का book होगा, क्या combo offer है, what's the address, what's the phone number. Nothing was given, right? But then you had to put it on your own. Clear, children? Let us pick up second example. It says design an advertisement for an exhibition inauguration. See, these questions are very general questions. If you get certain details, fair enough. वरना अगर कोई भी exhibition का inauguration होना है तो it can be anything. It can be books. It can be art and craft. It can be anything. Are you getting it? So here we are doing it for books. Let us see. Books for pleasure, books for leisure. Here they have given us such a nice slogan or such a nice phrase. So you have the freedom of doing that. International Book Fair, let's say 2020. Display profile क्या है? Books for all age groups, computer software and CD-ROMs, teaching aids, audio visuals aids. यहाँ highlight क्या है? 10% discount दे रहे हैं. अब क्योंकि एग्जीबिशन है तो डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू बताना ज़रूरी है, जैसे हम नोटिस में बताते हैं. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू मेंशन द डेट, यू हैव टू गिव द टाइम 9 to 8, यू हैव टू गिव द venue. Sponsored by ऑल इंडिया पब्लिशिंग हाउस, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स कौन है, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड अथॉरिटी. If you want, you can give a number here. Okay, for any details, contact on the following number. So simple. So you had the freedom of putting in exhibition and inauguration. ठीक, तो exhibition का कर दिया, और inauguration तो किसी भी चीज़ का हो सकता था. It would have been a sports complex, it would have been a sports shop, it would have been a stationery shop, it could have been a mall or a shop in a market, anything. So with classified advertisements, we have with display advertisements, we have the freedom of creativity. We are not bound by the question much, and it's all about how creative you can get, how different you can be in giving information, how nicely you can arrange the information. Are you getting it? See, it is a very catchy advertisement. So there is lot of space, there is highlighted information given here, 10% discount has been given its own space. So this is how they are done. So if you look at these two questions, I'm trying to give you an overview from here. So see, on a general page wherein we were doing classified advertisement, और जिसमें हम एक पेज में 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions solve कर पाए थे. But here in the display advertisement, we have been able to do just 2. See? And that's because they have to be nice and big. They have to be catchy. They have to be attractive. Okay? They have to appeal to the reader's eyes. Let's go further. Okay, so this one says, your company Elite Pens Private Limited is launching a range of pens, gel pens, designer pens, etc. Draft an advertisement for this purpose. अब हमको बस यहाँ क्या पता चल गया, हमें अपनी कंपनी का नाम पता चल गया. हम लोग क्या हैं? We are Elite Pens Private Limited. Let's see. It says express with elite class. So Elite Pens enjoy writing with the excellent range of pens of gel pens, ball pens, designer pens. है तो advertisement ही ना. Made with high technology in Japan, available at affordable prices. Contact for business opportunity 28 Narayan Vihar, New Delhi. And if you want, you can also give your phone number here. और side में क्या illustration दिया? 3 pen draw कर दिए. So this seems to be like an ink pen or a gel pen and a ball pen. 3 variety of pens इन्होंने यहाँ draw कर दिए. So simple. Let's see next one. Fragrance India is launching a new perfume. What is fragrance? Khushbu. Okay. So Fragrance India becomes the name of your company. Is launching a new perfume. Design an advertisement for its promotion. अब आपको इस perfume को promote करना है. So heading डाल दी क्या? Fragrance India. Fragrance that defines you. Okay. और क्या है? Venus. The new perfume collections, excellent fragrance, works on skin 24/7, free from harmful chemicals, affordable prices. Contact us for business details. DLF Ankur Vihar, Loni. So basically, जैसे हम न्यूज़पेपर में एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स देखते हैं ना different products के, sometimes there are half page ads or like a full page ad of some new launched car. Or an airline, okay, or some travel company. So the more the space, the more the money. So these are like half a page advertisements, and they are just promoting their product. So this is a pen, this is a perfume. So these are the sketches, drawings and the illustrations that we are talking about. Let's see next one. Environment Buzz is a monthly magazine being launched by the Times of India. समझ में आई ये बात? क्या नाम है मैगजीन का? Environment Buzz. किसने लॉन्च किया है? टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ने. ड्राफ्ट एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट फॉर दिस पर्पस. ठीक है, ये इनकी मैगजीन है. वी मेक यू अवेयर, वी स्प्रेड लव फॉर नेचर. Okay, now one thing I want to highlight here, I would not want you to do this. No. So in this case, you will be writing the proper for. not this WhatsApp numeric language. Okay, no. So we make you aware, we spread love for nature, fragrance that defines you, environment buzz. Monthly magazine supports issue for benefit of environment, makes you aware, leads campaigns, priced at ₹25 per issue. और एनुअल सब्सक्रिप्शन कितना है? ₹275. एनुअल सब्सक्रिप्शन बेटा कि आप पूरे साल की मैगजीन का एक बारी में पेमेंट कर देते हैं. एंड में डाल दिया टैगलाइन, वी केयर, कॉन्टैक्ट editorial@environmentbuzz.com. Very simple. So here in this, I don't see any sketches, no illustrations, nothing. Just main information, contact information, and the highlight that you want to give over. What's next? Okay, so this one says, Modern Electronics is launching 2 new models of TV before Asian Games. Design and advertisement for this purpose. So हमारी कंपनी का नाम क्या है? Modern Electronics. Okay, क्या लिख रहे हैं? Experience new HD thrilling experience in this season of Asian Games. So Asian Games के होने से पहले ये लोग TV अपना launch कर रहे हैं. Now look at the font. Can you see it? The important things are highlighted and so beautifully presented in 3 lines. You can do that. Buy new modern LEDs and experience the game like never before. Get home theater system free for first 100 customers. ₹95,000. Contact Modern Electronics and the phone number is given there. और दूसरा टीवी रखा हुआ है, उसका कॉस्ट दिया हुआ है 47,000. So again, they have given you the basics of the LED television, and you can give that as well. And one more, the most important thing that that comes in both the kinds of advertisement is that we are not doing without the box. Box के बिना कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So as I always say, the moment the question comes, सबसे पहले क्या करना है? 3 lines draw करनी होती हैं. Do not forget the box. Next question. Liberty Fashion announces its annual clearance sale before Diwali. So annual clearance sale क्या होता है कि जो भी आपके पास स्टॉक होता है आप उसको निकालते हैं, तब सेल निकलती है. ठीक है? So what's the name of the company? Liberty Fashions. Clearance sale before Diwali. Design and advertisement for its promotion. Okay? So they have made a pair of shoes over here. Sale, sale, sale. Liberty Fashion. Annual clearance sale up to 70% off. Hurry. Offer till 1st to 5th Feb. Men's footwear 60% off on 2 pairs. Women's footwear 70% off on 2 pairs. And kids footwear 50% off on 2 pairs. Visit nearby Liberty Fashion showroom. So they are clearing their stock दिवाली आने से पहले. तो इन्होंने क्लियर कट बता दिया है कि ऑफर कब से कब तक का है. 1 to 5th फरवरी का 70% तक का आपको छूट है, डिस्काउंट है. एंड क्या क्या कंडीशन है वो बता दिए कि अगर आप 2 शूज 2 पेयर लेंगे तो 60% है, यहाँ 2 पेयर लेंगे तो 70% है, यहाँ 2 पेयर लेंगे तो 50% है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन women and kids, this is what they have highlighted here. So overall children, what you need to see here that these are very very easy to do, very creative, और बहुत ईजी है, बहुत टाइम नहीं लगता है. सिर्फ क्वेश्चन समझना है और अपने दिमाग में बस जल्दी से सोचना है कि अगर सेल है तो हमने यहाँ पे उसके फॉन्ट में बड़ा बड़ा लिख दिया क्या, सेल सेल सेल, हाईलाइट. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. अब देखो, on behalf of a TV producer, design an advertisement to attract young faces between the age group of 18 and 25 to act in a mega serial with multi-star cast. अब एक टीवी प्रोड्यूसर के बिहाफ पे आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाना है, देना है, और आपको यू वांट एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस, यंग फेसेस चाहिए, न्यू यंग फेसेस. एज ग्रुप क्या है? 18 and 25, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ सीरियल, अ मेगा सीरियल विद मल्टी स्टार कास्ट. तो अब ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो गया. चलो देखते हैं ये कैसे करा. डू यू हैव द पैशन फॉर एक्टिंग? आर यू अ यंग enthusiast for acting in daily soaps? Probably then this could be golden chance. This could be the golden chance. Audition on 8th February 2020. 10 a.m. onwards in SKR Auditorium, Mumbai. Chance to work in a mega serial with mostly star cast. Apply by 6th of Feb. Producer Raj Sharma and the contact number is given there. Very, very simple. देख लो एक बार ध्यान से. Do you have the passion for acting? Are you a young enthusiast for acting in daily soaps? Probably then, this could be a golden chance. Audition on 8th Feb 2020, I would say, 10 a.m. onwards in SKR Auditorium, Mumbai. So अब यहाँ हम देखें हमने क्या क्या बता दिया. यहाँ हमने डेट दे दिया, इधर हमने टाइम दे दिया, और इधर हमने क्या दिया, हमने वेन्यू दे दिया, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्वेश्चन. So if it is an event, then you have to give these details: date, time, venue. और कब तक अप्लाई करना है? बिफोर द 6th of February. तो इसमें नॉट नेसेसरी, ये अगर आपको इमेज डालना था तो डाल सकते थे, वरना कुछ भी हो सकता था. इट कुड, यू नो, अ फ्रेज कुड हैव बीन इजीली गॉन कि लाइट्स, कैमरा, एक्शन. एक बहुत अच्छा सा वो फ्रेज बन जाता, या आप सिर्फ एक कैमरा बना देते, या कुछ भी. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट creativity, my dear students. Let's see. This is interesting. So it says Madhavi Cards. You've got your company. Madhavi Cards has designed new and innovative cards for Teachers Day. Design an advertisement for their publishing. Madhavi Cards की तरफ से कार्ड डिजाइन करना है. तो अब कार्ड तो ब्यूटीफुल किया जा सकता है. इन्होंने यहाँ पे फ्लावर्स बना दिए बहुत सुंदर चारों तरफ, बीच में स्पेस दे दी है फॉर द कंटेंट. Extend your respect, show your love, make your teachers feel special. Font के साथ we have played Happy Teachers Day, bold में लिख दिया. Madhavi Cards once again brings to you new and innovative cards collection on the occasion of Teachers Day, price ranging from rupees 15 to rupees 500. This is what they have given here. एक नीचे आप डाल सकते थे. You could have given the shop address or the phone number. That could have been given here. So these are display advertisements, commercial advertisements, which are going in the paper, wherein the owner, the trader, the shopkeeper, okay, anybody is putting up their advertisements. Let's see this one now. Draft an advertisement for a new face cream to be launched. अब ये तो हम कितना देखते हैं पेपर में, फेस क्रीम्स एंड डिओड्रेंट्स एंड यू नो सनशेड्स एंड सो मच. सो हमें कोई कंपनी का नाम नहीं दिया है, कुछ नहीं दिया है. वी डोंट इवन नो द काइंड ऑफ क्रीम वी आर गोइंग टू एडवर्टाइज फॉर. तो ये सारा फ्रीडम किसका है? हमारा. फील आफ्टर पार्लर फ्रेशनेस एट होम. नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स विल मेक योर फेस फ्लॉन्ट. फॉरएवर ब्यूटी. तो ये आपने अपनी क्रीम को खुद नाम दे दिया. सिर्फ 15 नहीं, ये UV 15 प्रोटेक्शन होना चाहिए था यहाँ पे, या SPF होता. SPF 15 protection. Aloe vera and roseberry extracts. Makes skin smooth. Reasonable price 150 only 400 grams. Contact for trade. Phone number यहाँ दिया हुआ है. Special offer with 10% discount. So this, my dear students, I have discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have discussed 10 solved samples of display or commercial advertisements. And in all these 10 displayed commercial advertisements we have seen that our information is so bold. We have the freedom of space. तो मतलब हम एक पेज में बहुत अच्छे से एक बढ़िया अपना एडवर्टाइजमेंट बना सकते हैं. एंड यू हैव द फ्रीडम टू प्ले विद फॉन्ट्स. यू कैन बी क्रिएटिव विद योर ड्राइंग, विद योर स्केचेस. एंड एक चीज़ का हमको ध्यान रखना है बस कि इफ वी आर गिविंग एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एन इवेंट, सो यू हैव टू गिव टाइम, डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू, all these things. So this is what display advertisements are about. So I just hope that you have understood them. In case if there is any problem, you can always contact me. And once again, I would like to highlight here, you are not using this kind of language at all. In English, we do not do this, okay? So we spread love for, F-O-R, for, not the numeric for nature. Do mention your contact address and phone number in the advertisement. That will make it very, very effective, just the way it is done here. In case अगर किसी डिस्प्ले में नहीं आपको दिखा, no problems, but आपको कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर और एड्रेस ज़रूर डालना है, बिकॉज उसके बिना बात नहीं बनेगी. इधर हमने क्रीम वाले में देखा तो क्या, दे हैव मेड अ जार ऑफ क्रीम, थोड़े से ये क्यूकम्बर स्लाइसेस बना दिए यहाँ पे. सो यू हैव द फ्रीडम ऑफ बीइंग क्रिएटिव टू ड्रॉ एंड टू enjoy. So today we have finished display advertisement, and with this we have completed the short composition of advertisements in totality, complete. And we are not going to repeat this in class 12. We will just give a slight revision because हम इसे 11th में बहुत detail में कर रहे हैं, and in class 12 when we are doing it, it's all about revisions. Okay, so 2 kinds of advertisements we have done, classified, a lot of detail went into it, and now we have done the second category, that is display or commercial advertisements. Okay, and in the display commercial advertisements, I have just discussed 10 solved samples with you. I will be sending you the questions that you will be doing for practice, and also I will be giving you some samples of solved questions so that you know that how these advertisements are to be done. So, my dear students, if I look here, then in the writing section we have completed in the short compositions. We are through with advertisements and we are through with notices. Yes? As we go further, but we do not want to go further, there is no rush, and we want to start up a test series with you all. So once this is done, I will be letting you know that when are your test series going to start. Each chapter wise and your poems, everything that we have done, small tests will be done, and these tests will be done in the stipulated 1 hour time that has been given to you. So we also need to revise what we have done. So once this task is over, we begin with your test series. So in the meanwhile, children, keep studying, complete your work, stay in touch with me, and more queries should be coming. Do not waste your time. ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि स्कूल खुलेगा तो फिर कुछ different होगा. No, because what we are doing here, we are doing it with lot of seriousness. Your teachers are putting in a lot of effort for you, and our endeavor is to make your time very, very effective. So now in the remaining time that you have in today's session, I want you to start doing the solved samples and then pick up the assignments that you have to do. Okay? Have a nice day and take good care of yourselves.